Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman and welcome to Ace of Rich Freedom by Design. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to crush it with affiliate marketing if you are a beginner, okay? And even if you've been around for a while, this is going to help you too, okay? So a lot of things about affiliate marketing when I first got started, guys, back in 2008, I will tell you that I was overwhelmed, I was confused, I didn't even know where to start because there were so many pieces of the puzzle. And it was very difficult for me to, kind of just get it going fairly quickly. Now, stay tuned to the very end because I'm going to show you how to get this going very quickly so you don't have to wait that long, okay? So the first thing I want to talk about is traffic, okay? Traffic is essential with any business that goes to an offer, okay? Now, if you don't have an offer that's designed to convert, it's going to be very difficult, that traffic, to convert into a sale, all right? So make sure you have the right offer, and that offer has to be designed to convert a lead into a sale. Very important, okay? So now, once you get that traffic, they're going to an opt-in page to collect that lead. You're collecting that lead that goes onto your list. And once they actually opt into that page, they see the offer, then you make the sale. Or do you really make the sale? Well, sometimes. And the reason why is because not every time you're going to make that sale. Some will, some won't. So what is the next step? We got to go to the follow-up right here. We got to start following up with our email. And now what we want to do is we want to build value-based content. We want to establish that trust in the relationship, because the reason why people are not buying from you is because there's no trust, established in the relationship yet. Okay? That's like if you go to a party and, nobody knows you. But what if somebody, is there that knows people around in that party and they say, hey, listen, this is John over here. I want to introduce you to John. Well, they're going to be like, yeah, sure. Hey, John, what's up? What's going on? The reason why is because you got third-party verification, right? So it's because that person knows that person already. So when you actually build a list, you're building trust. It takes a little time to get warmed up, right? Same thing online. Same thing online, guys. It's no different. I like to keep this stuff very, very simple. So you create 3 emails that are based around value, so that way you build that trust. Then you can pitch the sale after that, right? So you're probably asking, like, okay, Rich, if I drive traffic, I don't know how to build a page. I don't know how to, create this capture page that you're talking about, this opt-in page. And I'm like, well, don't worry about it because I'm going to show you that at the end. Now you're probably thinking, well, Rich, I don't have an offer, or my offer sucks and it doesn't work for me. Well, I'm going to show you that at the end as well. Rich, I don't know how to build trust. I don't know how to create emails that can convert those leads into sales because I keep driving traffic, but I'm not making any sales. Hence, problem is going to be solved. So right now, guys, this is a place where you could drive traffic, okay? It's called Udemy. You can go to any solo ad vendor here and do your research and look at the testimonials. Are they making sales? Great. If they got great testimonials, then what you do is you put your order in, right? So let's say you want to do right here, you choose base filter, prime filter, top tier. I just go top tier. I put my link in there, add to cart, and boom, right? And I can order some traffic immediately, right? And you can choose how much traffic you want to order. It doesn't have to be that, that amount. Okay, you could, drop it down and say, oh, you know what? I want to do, let me start a test, right? Let me see here. 201 visitors, $160. Boom, add the cart, and then do an order, start driving traffic. Now here's the thing. Remember I told you about the offer? You need the offer to be designed to convert, and that's very important. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my back office, and I'm going to show you what solved my problem when I was struggling for quite a few years, okay? So the thing about it is I needed an offer that was designed to convert, right? I needed an opt-in form, a capture page to collect the email. I needed someone to follow up with those emails while I'm learning how to put all the pieces together, right? So I don't want to wait a long time. I want to get things going so as I'm learning, I'm also earning, right? So let me show you this. I'm going to go over to my links, okay? Drop down this menu, choose SAN. Here's the first link right here. And look at this, guys. Problem solved. You have your capture page. Designed to convert and get leads, right? So when you opt in, let's go here. When you opt in, it has the actual sales page that's designed to convert those leads into sales, right? You might not know how to do this timer or create a video sales letter, and also the copy persuasion, right? Copywriting is called persuasion writing, right? So these are skill sets that if you don't know how to do, it's very difficult to build your business, right? So now what I want to show you is like, okay, so great. Now you got the capture page. Now you got the funnel, which is great. So let's talk about the actual next step here. So Rich, I got the capture page now. I don't know how to write emails. What do I do? Well, the beauty about the system is this is designed that it's automatically followed up from a 7-figure earner who knows what they're doing, okay? And I don't mean like a cookie cutter follow-up like you see out there with other systems. I mean, it's being followed up upon in real time. If the broadcasts, follow-ups, webinar presentations, things like that that require high-level skill set that you don't have as a beginner, that's being done for you. Very, very important, okay? Listen to me when I tell you this. If you don't have these skill sets, it's very easy to fail. Where everybody tells you it's easy, it's not. These are skill sets you need to develop. So you can leverage experts who have these skill sets, so that way you can start winning instead of losing, okay? So after that, after you have your offer, you have your capture page, you have the offer, right? I showed you what to drive traffic. Guess what? The leads come into the system, they get followed up upon, then you can start seeing your leads come in right here. Then you can start learning how to follow up, right? And then you can export your leads and put it into your own autoresponder and start learning. But while you're learning, guess what? They're still being followed up upon inside the system. Very important. Now, if you don't know where to start, guys, okay, you can start right here. The first thing, watch this first video right here. Welcome to the Super Affiliate Network. Watch the first video and take these 3 steps. Very, very simple. And then the first step you want to do is make sure that you contact your coach. That way you're guided in the right direction. You're not left in the dark, okay? Very important. A lot of people get involved in systems and they get left in the dark. They don't know what to do, right? And that's a major problem. Not only that, me, myself, Ace, we are not going to let you in the dark because we don't do that. We actually help a lot of affiliates make money online, okay? So now, after that, your next step is to go to the boot camp. Phase 1, Phase 2, and Phase 3. Start with Phase 1. Go to Module 1, and then start the foundation there, okay? Very simple. And just take it, step by step. But the beauty about it, guys, is that you don't have to worry about having a capture page. You don't have to worry about following up. You don't have to worry about like how this works or how that works, right? You can just use this completely on autopilot, 100% like we did, okay? Does it work? Absolutely. We're living proof because, I wanted to make sure this system worked 100% on complete autopilot without me building my own list, but let this go into the system while I'm learning, while I'm, earning while I'm learning. So you can see right here, I'm going to show you right here the leaderboards. Does it work? Absolutely. Right here, you can see we're the top income earners. We made the most sales in the, in the company, and that's like all time, right? Now you can see that all our customers are right here. Look at that. The list goes on and on. On and on. I can go to the next page, I can go to another page, another page. We have thousands of affiliates that we did it this way by using the system itself. Very, very powerful, okay? So just real quick, guys, I want, in the comment section, tell me, does this make sense to you? Does it really make sense for the fact that you don't have to worry about trying to figure all this stuff out, okay? And you can just plug right in and get things moving so that way you're not struggling, right? Because you could actually earn while you learn. And it works 100% complete on autopilot, all right? So with that being said, guys, my name is Rich Guzman. I want to thank you so much for stopping by this video. Make sure that you click on that link below. It'll take you to a page. Opt in. We're all about creating a business you love, create passion in your life through inspiration, through the education that we teach you, okay? So make sure that you actually comment, like, and subscribe, and also click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our trainings, any of our lives that we do on this YouTube channel, all right? My name is Rich Guzman, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in a new video. Bye now.